Hello guys, welcome back to a video. So my name is LessThanThree and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download links or how to download stuff from Linkvertise. So you do know some Minecraft things or you want to download or take you to Linkvertise. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to download stuff. Don't worry, I'm here to save you. So you see this is it says please validate that you're not a robot. So you want to go ahead and do that. Just click I'm not a robot. And it will load and it should take you straight to the thing. So once you get here, as you can see, just don't click anything for your own safety and just to be safe, just in case anything can happen. So as you see, it says direct access with premium or free access with ads. So once the countdown starts, you want to click free access with ads. I have an ad blocker. Let me just disable. Alright, yeah, but we are back. And like I said, click on free access with ads. You see, just don't click anything like I said, but it'll say discover articles from the web. You want to click that. I'll click that only, okay? Oh my goodness. See, that's not what I do. So you see it shows all the steps. Just don't click any of it for your own safety. You see, you want to click the X sign. So you will have a countdown, but once the countdown hits down, you can click exit once again and click continue. As you can see, it'll take you to where you need to go. See, it will take you to where exactly where I need to go, but I already downloaded this. But if you downloaded it, everything should be safe. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the video, comment, do all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.